Hi, my name's Camilla and welcome to this morning pranayama or breath work practice. We have a short class here this morning to help ground the energies in the body, and we'll be focusing on alternate nostril breathing, Nadi Shodhana, as well as Surya and Chandra Bhedi breathing, which is where we just breathe through right nostril or just breathe through the left nostril. So this helps to balance the energies in the body. It's also a very nice grounding practice just to really feel centered in your body, to come back to yourself and to feel your best. So we'll start actually, rather than doing Nadi Shodhana, alternate nostril breathing, we'll start just with our Surya Bhedi breathing. So that means we'll be blocking off the left nostril, breathing in through the right. And the right side is associated with the sun, energy. So we can start by closing down the eyes. Taking a few deep breaths. Sitting tall through your spine. Softening your face. Relaxing your forehead. Relaxing it even more. Bringing your point of awareness to your nose tip, feeling the air coming in and out through your nostrils. When you feel ready, bring your left hand up to your face and blocking off your left nostril with your thumb. Inhaling through right nostril. Exhaling through right nostril. Inhaling right. Exhaling right. Continuing in your own speed. Last breath, releasing. Breathing through both nostrils, feeling the difference on both sides. Now we'll start with our Chandra Bhedi, blocking off the right nostril, inhaling through left, exhaling through left. So moon energy side. Releasing your hand down. Again, breathing again through both sides. Noticing if one nostril is maybe more active than the other. They often are, and they switch between each other throughout the day. So we have one dominant nostril for breathing. Noticing if it is right side or left side. It's said that if it is the right side that is more dominant, we're in our sun energy, so you can be feeling a little more awake and alert. And left side, our moon energy, maybe a little more sleepy, a little more slow. Move into the final part of our breathing practice for today, Nadi Shodhana, alternate nostril breathing. So we'll be again blocking off the nostrils. This time we'll bring our first two fingers to our third eye, then use our thumb and our ring finger to block. Closing down the eyes, blocking right nostril, inhaling through left, blocking left, exhaling through right. Inhale right, block, exhale through left, inhale left, block, exhale right, inhale right, exhale left. Continuing in your own rhythm of breathing. Next time that you exhale through your left nostril, releasing your hand, keeping your eyes still closed, breathing normally through both sides. Noticing the shift in energy, the effects of the practice. When you're ready, slowly blinking open your eyes, bring your hands to heart center. We'll finish with one Om. You can choose to join or just listen. Inhaling deeply for the Om. Bowing down towards yourself. Namaste. Thanks for joining me here on the mat this morning for this breathwork class. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe and see you again for more classes soon.